Are you considering seminary? Have you felt the call to full-time pastoral ministry? Or are you a pastor desiring to be better equipped for life and ministry? We want to personally invite you to a day at Shepherds coming up on Monday, October 13th, right here at Shepherds Theological Seminary. The day begins at 8:30 in the morning with a free breakfast followed by a time to explore what life at Shepherds is really like. You'll have the opportunity to sit down with our experienced professors, ask your questions, and hear firsthand how Shepherds can equip you for a lifetime of faithful ministry. And that's not all. Lunch is on us. As a special bonus, every attendee will also receive free admission to the Shepherds 360 conference beginning that very afternoon at 1 p.m. This is an incredible opportunity to hear from trusted voices and join in fellowship with believers from across the country. So don't miss it. Day at Shepherds, October 13th, starting at 8:30 a.m. Breakfast, lunch, engaging conversations, and an unforgettable conference experience all in one day. Come see how Shepherds Theological Seminary can prepare you to shepherd God's people well. We can't wait to see you there.